Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Ahuja again is in front of you with a new topic, that is standard form or scientific notation. It is the topic of class 7th, which is taken from the chapter Exponents and Powers. It is a very interesting thing to understand that what are the standard forms and scientific forms or scientific notation. Actually, we can use both the names for the notation. So let us discuss that what is the standard form. So first of all, starting with the definition of the standard form, if any large number has written in the form of k into 10 to the power n, then this notation or representation is called scientific notation or standard form. Explaining you this definition, suppose there is any large number who has which has 10 to 12 digits. Okay, so the representation of that numbers is very difficult, है ना? If we are having any large number and which is containing 10 to 12 digits, so it is very difficult for us to write them. So we use such a representation which is called as a standard form. And what is that representation? That is k into 10 to the power n. I will tell you after a while that what is k and what is n. So this kind of representation is called as scientific notation or standard form. So here I am telling you that k is any number between 1 to 10. k कोई number होगा 1 से 10 के बीच में, and n is any integer. That means जो 10 की power है, that is any integer which can be positive or can be negative. For an example of a standard form, 1.68 into 10 to the power 9. You can see here that 1.68 is any number between 1 to 10, and here is n. In place of n I have written 9, which is any integer. Or you can give any example, 3.6 into 10 to the power 4. Or you can write 5 into 10 to the power 6. It is also an standard form representation. So these kinds of representation are called as standard form or scientific notation. Students, I can use both the words standard form or scientific notation. So don't get confused. Both are the same things. Actually, why we use these things? Because it is very lengthy process to write the large numbers which is containing 10 to 12 or 15 digits. That's why we use these kinds of small notations. So now I will tell you that how we convert any large number into the standard form. Large number, or you can say usual form and standard form. Suppose you have the number 56. So in the usual format you will write it as 56, and it is very easy to write the 56th number. Okay, it is not containing very large digits, but if we want to convert this into the standard form में ये चीज़ कैसे लिखी जाएगी? 5.6 into 10. Why we have written like this, decimal format and into 10? जब आप इसका मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 5.6 का मल्टीप्लाई 10 से करेंगे, यू विल गेट द सेम थिंग. 10 6 जा 60, 10 5 जा 50 प्लस 6 56. यहाँ एक नंबर के बाद डेसिमल है तो यहाँ पे भी एक नंबर के बाद डेसिमल आ जाएगा. सो दैट इज़ 56. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपके पास कोई भी ज़ीरो नहीं है, you are not having any zero, so you can write it in this way. Suppose you have 0. 560. So again decimal 5.6 into 10 to the power 2. 1 for 0 and 1 for the decimal. Suppose you are having 5600. So you will write 5.6 into 10 to the power 3. Students, you can observe this thing that जैसे जैसे आपके पास zeros बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, in the similar pattern the power is also increasing. Suppose I am writing here 56000. So that will be 5.6 into 10 to the power 4. If I am writing 5, 6 and 4 zeros, so it will be 5.6 into 10 to the power 5. That means if the decimal is shifting left side, अगर आपका decimal left side shift हो रहा है, then power will be positive. You can observe here, जैसे जैसे आपका decimal shift होते जा रहा है, देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 digits shift हो गया. So you have written 5 here. 1 2 3 4 यहाँ पे decimal लगाया, you have written 4 here. 1 2 3 you have written 3 here. 1 2 you have written power 2, only 1, so there is no any power. So in this way the usual form can be converted into standard form. But what will happen if you are getting any decimal number? Suppose 0.000056 you are having. So decimal will be shifted to the right hand side. How many digits it is shifting? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we will write 5.6 here, but with the negative power of 5. Why we have written the power 5? Because we have shifted the decimal 5 places. 1 2 3 4 5. आपका डेसिमल पॉइंट यहाँ था, हमने इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दिया. सपोज 0.00056. So again we want the representation like this. So decimal will be shifted 1 2 3 4 digits. So that will be 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 4. Students, make sure you have to remember this thing. अगर आपका decimal left shift होगा, power will be positive. अगर आपका decimal right shift होगा, power will be negative. Suppose 0.0056. So you will shift the decimal 1 2 3 places. So you will write 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. So in this way the usual form is converted into the standard form. So we can write the note here. If decimal is shifting right, then power of 10 will be positive. But on shifting left, power of 10 will be negative. We will take some examples of conversion also after some time. So here are the examples of usual form to standard form. First example is convert 2 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into standard form. So we will write here 2 8 solution 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we have to convert it into the standard form. First of all, you will write 28 here, and how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 zeros are there, so you will write in the power of 10 8. आप 10 के पावर में 8 लिखेंगे, ठीक है. Then but this is 28, which is very more than 10. number should be between 1 to 10. जो ये नंबर होता है जो वो हमेशा 1 से 10 के बीच में रहता है. So we will write decimal here and power will be increased by 1. यहाँ पे पावर 8 थी, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगी 9. इट इज़ द वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक. अगर डेसिमल आपका लेफ्ट शिफ्ट हो रहा है पावर विल बी पॉजिटिव. अगर डेसिमल आपका राइट शिफ्ट हो रहा है पावर विल बी नेगेटिव. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, इफ इट इज गिवन टू यू दैट 46.758. so how you will convert it? Your decimal will be shifted one place here. आपके पास 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस ऑलरेडी हैं, सो दैट इज़ ओके. बट आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही डेसिमल प्लेस शिफ्ट कर रहे हो इधर, सो दैट विल बी 4.6758. बाकी के डिजिट्स आप एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. ओनली यू हैव टू रिप्लेस द डेसिमल. सो इट विल बी, आपने एक प्लेस शिफ्ट किया डेसिमल को, वो भी कहाँ शिफ्ट किया? लेफ्ट शिफ्ट किया. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 10. Why it is written as 10? जस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, अगर हम डेसिमल को लेफ्ट शिफ्ट करते हैं तो पावर आपकी क्या होती है? पॉजिटिव. आपने सिर्फ एक ही प्लेस इसको शिफ्ट किया है, सो यू विल राइट ओनली 10 to the power 1 here. So students, in this way you can convert the usual form into the standard form. One more example is here. Suppose 0.007652. So you will transfer the decimal into the right hand side because हमको क्या चाहिए? Number between 1 to 10. Okay, number between 1 to 10. So you will shift the decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So you will write here 7.652. Decimal has been shifted 3 places. यहाँ पे हमने लिख दिया 7.652. These zeros will be ignorable. Into decimal has been shifted to right. How many places? 3 places. So you will write 10 to the power minus 3. So students, in this way you can convert the usual form into the standard form. In my next class, I will tell you about the opposite conversion. That is how to convert the standard form into the usual form. Till then, watch my videos. Thank you everyone.